There's a switch in my brain.
The toggle switch of delusion. The toggle switch of delusion.
Most of the time I'm lovey-dovey, Andrew. Most of the time I'm happy, Andrew. Most of the time I'm chipper, Andrew. Pure tranquility to be around. The switch is toggled off. But every so often, the switch will flip on, and when the toggle switch of delusion flips on, I get persecutory delusions. I think they were trying to kill me. I think my parents were pharmacologically abusing me. I think they were torturing me.
The toggle switch of delusion. The toggle switch of delusion.
But then the switch flips off, and I'm back to happy and chipper, Andrew. I'm back to the nicest guy on planet Earth. I'm back to the man of peace. I'm back to pure tranquility to be around. But then the switch flips on. I hate you. You're a monster. You're a sadistic deceiver. You're lying to me. Tell me the truth.
The toggle switch of delusion. The toggle switch of delusion.
It's like there's a switch in my brain. When you get rapid delusional mood swings, toggling from people want to kill you to they love you, back to they want to kill you, it's going to affect meaningful relationships. People aren't going to understand how your mind works.
The toggle switch of delusion. You want to kill me.
Now you love me.
You want to kill me.
Now you love me.
There's a switch in my brain,
and I rapidly swing from you want to kill me to you love me.